Welcome to Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, kayo ba'y nagka-crave ng biryani and coffee at the same time?
Wow!
Na matatagpuan na dito sa San Fernando, Pampanga. Ito yung dapat na para sa inyo.
Guys, this is Black Habit Coffee House. Samahan niyo po kami, papakita namin kung ano yung mga kinain namin dito. So, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Being with us in this video. Thanks so much Black Habit Coffee House for inviting us and congratulations for opening, no? So another place for you to check out. Grabe, tignan ko naman yung choices dito.
Yes, so ang gandahan dito ay hindi ng mga coffee ang mga pupuntahan mo. At the same time, itong mga dishes nila. Yes, so on our table, syempre, meron tayo dito yung kanilang pinakain. Gusto kanilang mangisto, roasted chicken, and biryani.
So pangalan mangisto?
Yes, mangisto.
Wow, okay.
Same time, meron tayong chicken kebab.
Which is new?
So kung kayo naman mahilig sa pasta, meron tayo dito creamy bacon pasta and shrimp aglio.
Yes.
So this is parang bago sa atin. So instead of using mga nachos, ang gamit nila ng mga pita. So ang tawag dito is yung kanilang nachos a la papita.
Papitas.
At syempre yung mga 4 cheese
Quesadilla. Ayan. Sabi ni Madam kanina nag-serve natin, this is fit or perfect paired with kanilang chocolate banana.
Same time, syempre, kung kayo naman naghahanap ng breakfast, all-day breakfast, available naman ng sausage dito. And drinks natin.
Yun. So, we got different kinds of drinks, guys. We got fraps, coolers, coffee beans, coffee beans. Anyway, papakita natin sila isa-isa later on. But for now, grabe. We won't make you wait. Titikman na natin to. Let's get it on.
So, tikman natin ng roasted chicken.
So that one is a half chicken serving, no? Meron po silang whole chicken at saka quarter. So ito guys for only 269 pesos.
Mahabil yun na tong chicken biryani nila. Actually nakakamiss yung mga ganitong mga luto, mga biryani. Pero ito ay medyo may twist siya ng konti. Nasok sa palasa.
So next natin guys ay yung kanilang mga kebab. Ayan. So may option din kayo to choose if it's mga family serving. Meron po silang rice instead of this one. Ayan. So tikman natin to for the first time.
Ooh! For the first time din nila sinerve.
First time din nila sinerve guys. So there's the dip. Uy, grabe. Ang sarap ng juice na to. What is this? Ang sarap nito guys, promise. For their drinks guys, I wanna try non-coffee based drink.
Yes, that is yung nila strawberry vanilla.
Oh, okay.
Yes, at ito naman yung nila honey kiwi. Patok mo yung summer dahil sobrang init, nagpaparefresh naman.
Na pala guys, if you want to invite them on your event, so mayroon po silang movable cart or mobile cart dito. You can check out their packages dito sa shop na to. Yan. If you want to bring them to your event or occasion, make sure to check out their po silang mobile cart.
sausage.
Yeah. Yum.
Alright.
Grabe, Mark.
Yes.
Isa na namang lugar or isang restaurant, guys, that for you to check out. Sobrang nag-enjoy ko dun sa kebab nila.
Ako naman dun sa biryani nila, maliban sa chicken, yung talagang may twist of kebab.
Yes, very few guys na magsaserve ng mga biryani. Mga ganong klase na pagkain. So, guys, if you wanna check this out, ayan, business information
Yeah,
tayo.
so Black Habit Coffee House, located dito sa may MacArthur Highway. Pinaka-landmark natin ay malapit siya sa Yamaha and sa Pepsi, dito sa may Del Rosario.
Del Rosario.
City of San Fernando, Pampanga. We are open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Yun guys, go check it out, find it for yourself if you're gonna enjoy it. Kami for us, we really enjoyed it. So, thank you guys for watching here in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one.
That's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.